Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, I am Dr. Zamirul Hassan with the Ayat verse of the day from Holy Quran. Today, verse is from Surah Al-Baqrah, verse number 60. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ استسقى موسى لقومه فقلنا اضرب بعصاك الحجر فانفجرت منه اثنتا عشرة عينا قد علم كل أناس مشربهم كلوا واشربوا من رزق الله ولا تعصوا في الأرض مفسدين. And recall when Moses prayed for the water for his people. So we said, strike with your staff the stone. And there gushed forth from it 12 springs, and every people knew its watering place. Eat and drink from the provisions of Allah, and do not commit abuse on the earth, spreading corruption. Now translation word by word. Wise and when istasqa asked water Moses liqawmihi for his people. Faqulna, so we said, Izrib, strike, bi'aswaka, with your staff, al-hajar, stone, rock. Fanfajarat, so gushed from, minhu, from it, isnata ashara, 12, aynan, springs. Qad, so, alima, knew, kullu unasin, every person, mashrabahum, their watering place, drinking place. Kulu, eat, washabu, and drink, min rizqillahi, from the provision of God, wala, and don't, taso, wander, failures, on earth, mufsidina, spreading corruption. Thanks for listening.